don't miss it. You're such a
I know.
No,
Oh,
that's
yes,
right.
I got
That's
it.
right. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lacey. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone, today is my birthday! I'm 19 and it just turned 12 o'clock and I'm here with my friends. Jennifer's on the top bunk. Hey Jennifer. That's one of my roommates. Aubrey's my other roommate. And this is Sarah, one of my good friends, and Allison. We're just chilling.
This is Lacey, and she's opening up her birthday present.
From my mom.
Oh,
She says that we can share it with my roommates, but I will share it with everybody.
oh my goodness, I wonder what it's gonna be.
Oh my gosh. Tape is so hard. Also, it's been my it's been my birthday for an hour in Charlotte now, but it just turned my birthday in Nashville. So I did not know that. Okay. My mom told me she sent me a bunch of food.
Whoa! Wait, that is the best.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at these balloons in this card. I wonder who it's from. Okay, I'll open it. Okay, who is it from? Oh, Jennifer. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Dominica. Hey guys, so I'm here on my 19th birthday with all of my new friends from college. Yeah. And we're at this really cute restaurant called Lacelle, and I'm super happy and thankful that I have these friends to share this day with. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see who it's from. It's from Caitlin. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna read it. Hey guys, so we came to the carnival, but it's not what we expected. Thought it'd be like a super fun state fair, but it's not. It's kind of sketchy, so yeah, we're gonna go. Hey guys, so I just got back from the fair with my friends Hannah and Aubrey, my roommate, and after the fair we went to Caviar and Bananas, which is like a little grocery store restaurant, and I got a sandwich and we ate it in my friend Hannah's dorm. And now I just came back here because I'm feeling a little bit worn out and I want to call some friends who called me earlier to wish me happy birthday, and I just want to say I'm so grateful for this day and to have such amazing people surround me so early into college. I didn't think that this would happen, and I'm so grateful, and I cannot wait to go home in a week from now to go and celebrate with my family who I haven't seen in a while. So yes, it was a great day. I didn't get the chance to record breakfast with my RA, Caitlin, but she got me those flowers I put in a vase up there, right there, yeah. I put them in my little mug because I don't really have a vase. I have a vase for those fake flowers though. I feel super grateful, and it was a great 19th birthday. I cannot believe I am 19. Hey guys, I'm going home this weekend and I'm so sad to be leaving Belmont. But I'm going back to Charlotte and I'm super excited to see my fam. I'll see you guys in the airport. Alright, I've made it to Charlotte and I'm about to see my mom who's picking me up, and I'm so excited. Vlogging in front of people, this is so funny. Charlotte! I cannot believe I'm in Charlotte. My parents are gonna freak out when they see me. It's been over a month, which is the longest that I have been away from my parents, so I'll vlog their reactions. Hello! Yay!
What's in the front?
Get in the car.
Hello.
Is Tutu in the car?
Nope. You can sit in the front if you want. You don't know where the bag's at?
No.
I told her you're gonna be here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Lacey's here. Lacey's
Tutu! Hi, Tutu! Tutu, baby! Tutu, let's go inside! Martha! Hi, Martha. Hi, Martha. Hi. Doggies. Hi, Tutu. You're so cute. Baby, I love you. Hey, Kiki. Mommy, are you glad I'm home?
I'm so happy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lacey. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Sad I'm leaving.
Yes, I'm sad you're leaving.
Thank you for my flowers you bought me.
Thank you for coming home.
You're welcome. Look at these flowers. I just took a picture. Can't even see Tutu in my beanbag.
Yeah, she's